Good morning, health warriors! Are you ready to start your day with a small but mighty step toward better health? Today, I've got the perfect recipe to elevate your morning routine. A simple, all-natural ginger water detox drink. Let me tell you, it's not just a drink. It's a powerhouse of benefits that can transform the way you feel from the inside out. So grab your mugs and let's get started. First things first. Why should you even bother with ginger water? Well, here's the scoop. Ginger isn't just any old root. It's a superfood that's been celebrated in holistic medicine for thousands of years. It's packed with anti-inflammatory properties, which means it helps calm your system and fights off inflammation. But that's not all. It improves your digestion, flushes out harmful toxins, and even revs up your metabolism. Oh, and let's not forget, it gives your skin that healthy, enviable glow and enhances your immune system. Pretty impressive for one humble root, right? Here's the best part. Making ginger water is ridiculously easy, and it'll take you less than 5 minutes. All you'll need is fresh ginger, water, and if you're feeling fancy, a bit of lemon or honey for an added kick. Start by grabbing a small piece of ginger, about an inch long. Peel it using a spoon or a knife, whichever feels easier for you. Next, slice it thinly or grate it. Grating it really helps release all the juicy nutrients, but don't stress too much. Slicing works just as well. Simple, right? Now, let's heat things up. Pour a cup of water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Once it starts bubbling, toss in those ginger slices. Now here's where the magic happens. Let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. If you're low on time and need to hustle out the door, you can steep the ginger in hot water instead of boiling it. Just make sure you give it a few minutes for all that gingery goodness to infuse into the water. And ta-da! Strain the ginger water into your favorite morning mug. Now here comes the fun part, customizing it. I highly recommend squeezing in a wedge of fresh lemon. Why? Lemon is like ginger's best friend in the detox world. It's loaded with vitamin C and helps aid the detoxification process even further. Feeling like a touch of sweetness? Add a teaspoon of honey. Not only does it taste amazing, but it also has antibacterial properties and provides an extra energy boost. Stir it all together, and there you have it. Your golden aromatic ginger water is ready to sip. The best time to drink this is first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Why? Ginger water helps jumpstart your digestion, supercharges your metabolism, and gets you hydrated all in one go. Plus, say goodbye to that groggy, heavy feeling you sometimes wake up with. This drink is a natural energy booster that'll help you start your day feeling light, fresh, and ready to conquer. So, health warriors, are you ready for the challenge? Make this your go-to morning ritual for a week and see how it transforms you. And don't forget, small, consistent health choices like this add up to big changes over time. This simple drink could be the first step to unlocking your healthiest, happiest self. So, what are you waiting for? Grab some fresh ginger, heat up some water, and give this a try tomorrow morning. And when you do, come back and let me know in the comments how you feel. I'd love to hear about your experience. While you're here, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss more health-boosting tips and easy recipes. Here's to a brighter, healthier you. Cheers, health warriors! Until next time.